This is the bat Mimi captured. And I'm letting him go. He doesn't look too happy.
Right there?
Why not? Bats are good. Bats eat bugs.
We live in the middle of the woods. There's bats. They always go out at night and eat the mosquitoes, you know?
I hope Mimi didn't hurt him too bad when she captured him.
How'd she get him in the jar?
After she squirted him with the hose, and he fell in the mud, she grabbed him in the jar and put a rock on it.
Why don't she put a rock on the jar or in the jar?
There, he's starting to go. There he goes. Bye, Mr. Bat.